Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here, and today we have everybody's favorite type of problem, a word problem. And I love this word problem because it's about coffee. We have a 15-pound mixture of coffee that contains both decaffeinated and regular coffee, and it costs $53 for this 15 pounds. The decaffeinated coffee costs $3 per pound, and the regular coffee costs $4 per pound. We're asked to use X to be the weight of decaffeinated coffee and Y to be the weight of regular coffee. We need to write a system of equations, and then we need to solve it using substitution. First, let's draw a picture of what's happening. We know that we're starting with some decaf coffee, and we're mixing it with some regular coffee. And together, that equals this mixture. Now, what do we know about each of these? Well, we know that we have 15 pounds total for our mixture. We know that the mixture costs $53. We know that decaf is $3 per pound. And regular is $4 per pound. Then we're also told that X is the weight of the decaf and Y is the weight of the regular. So notice right away we have our first equation. X, the weight of decaf coffee, plus Y, the weight of the regular coffee, equals 15 pounds. So when we add the two coffee weights together, we need a total of 15 pounds. Then we also know that we have to pay $3 per pound of decaf. So that would be 3 times X to know how much it costs for the decaf. Plus a price of $4 per pound of regular coffee, or 4 times Y. And that gives us the total cost of this mixture, which is $53. So we have our system of equations. Now we need to use substitution. And remember, substitution is easiest when you pick the equation and the variable that you can isolate. So let's look at this first equation. And we're going to isolate the x. So we have x plus y equals 15. Subtract y from both sides, and we know that x equals 15 minus y. So if I go back to my second equation, 3x plus 4y equals 53, I'm going to take my value for x and substitute it in for this x. So I have 3 times 15 minus y, that's my x, plus 4y equals 53. Let's distribute the 3 through the parentheses. That gives us 45 minus 3y plus 4y equals 53. Combining our like terms, we have 45 minus 3y plus 4y. That leaves us with a positive y equals 53. Solving for y, we need to subtract 45 from both sides. And we see that y equals 8. And remember, it's a weight. It's 8 pounds. Now that we know our y, we can go back to our very first equation. X plus y equals 15. Remember, we need 15 total pounds of coffee. So x plus 8 equals 15. Subtract the 8. And we know that x equals 7 pounds. So our solution then as a point is the point 78. But since this is a word problem, we really need to understand what that point represents. And what it tells us is that we need 7 pounds of the decaf coffee and 8 pounds of the regular coffee. Those together give us that 15 pounds of this wonderful mixture of coffee.